Indianapolis nonprofits tell us that they're scrambling after the Trump administration gutted AmeriCorps. Those cuts affect nonprofits from anti-hunger efforts to medical clinics. News 8's government reporter Garrett Bergquist explains how it's a big loss.
Nonprofits here in Indianapolis tell me those AmeriCorps volunteers played critical roles in reaching those in need. These flyers might not look like much, but leaders of the Gennesaret Free Clinics say they helped increase the number of volunteers for their clinics by nearly 1/3.
We've been able to serve almost twice as many patients since we started with our volunteer coordinator. This has been a huge win for Gennesaret, and the capacity building is something that we wouldn't have been able to achieve without this role.
Kennedy just lost the person who helped her do that. In late April, the Trump administration froze AmeriCorps' funding. President Trump's latest budget proposal eliminates AmeriCorps altogether. AmeriCorps funded 12 volunteers at 11 different organizations in Indianapolis through the nonprofit Public Allies. Public Allies trains people who want to work in the public or nonprofit sector.
We have nonprofits that are already on very tight budgets. They still have meaningful work that they have to do. They have a lot of programs. And so one of the benefits is being able to host an AmeriCorps member at a minimal cost to them, but be able to really build capacity, whether it be building out new programming, building out sustainable practices.
I'm, sort of out of a job. The little living stipend that I was getting sort of comes out to maybe $8 an hour. That's gone. So I really don't know what my, how I'm going to be able to pay for housing in like 3 weeks.
Finch provided data analytics for Pack Away Hunger. He's one of 2 volunteers who started working for them in September.
You immediately start thinking about, what events are going to get delayed that's going to get food out the door to people that, need that food.
Logan says nonprofits such as Pack Away Hunger and Gennesaret will have to discontinue the operations those AmeriCorps personnel provided. They won't have to shut down entirely, but she and Kennedy both say it will hurt their ability to help those in need.
That means that without our public ally, we will not have the resources to be able to continue this outreach, especially with the volunteers in our dental clinics.
Logan says you can help by donating your time or your money to your favorite nonprofits. In Indianapolis, I'm Garrett Bergquist for Wish TV and Wish TV.